Hi YouTube. I just wanted to share something with you. So I just used last time on my other videos I gave you a link for this nice glue. It's called F6000. It's similar to E6000, but it's made for jewelry in particular. So I've just used it now, so I wanted to review it for you like an unboxing. Although it was just packed in this envelope and I've just used it now. It does have a slight odor, but not as strong as the E6000. So I'm working from my bedroom and I just made this, and I also got these pendants delivered the other day, so I'm gonna do an unboxing sort of review for that. And this is making for Mother's Day. I don't know, yeah, that's over, but you know, there's always other treats like birthday gift and stuff. And this really pretty design comes from a chocolate box that my sister got from Dubai when she worked there. And I'll just show you, the chocolates are really nice. They were called geisha. That's such a funny name for chocolate. Okay, so the wrapping looks like this, and I'm gonna turn these into pendants as well, um, by using these two special punches that you can pick up from Amazon as well. So all these products I'm using are from Amazon, except this cardstock, which was a special gift box of chocolates from Dubai, so you won't be able to get that, probably not on Amazon. So I used my punches to cut out the design, and then using my F6000 jewelry glue with a fine tip. There's a pin needle in there. There is some slight odor, and I put it into this bale that you can get a collection of 60. They come in a lovely box like this from Amazon. This was £10. I'll just open it for you 1 second. So you get the bales plus 6 pieces each of bale. To leave that to dry to do the next bit. So you get the bales. So I've got 6 heart-shaped bales there, plus it comes with the heart-shape doming glass or plastic glass toppers, whatever you want to call them, I don't know. So you get heart shapes and then the glass to go on top, heart shaped also. Then you get circles. I just used one. This is 1 inch because my punch is 1 inch. So you can pick that from Amazon as well. The pink one about £13. Then this is 1 inch, and what I stamped out. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so then you get the circle 1 inch to go with this bezel. Sorry, these are called bezels. And then you get teardrop shape bezels with the teardrop glass doming things. And that's then you get this oval, and you get the oval domes, glass domes. Then you get my favourite ones, can't wait to use these, square bezels, 6 in there, and square domes, glass. Okay, so I think it's really worth it. I worked it out to be 16p per item, which is really good value for money, considering if you went shopping online via television shopping, this set will be way expensive, like £30. So I've seen that before, that's why I know. And also I made this badge blank one, So this one I cut with the 2-inch punch. I did do a 1-inch punch, but it was too small because this diameter is broader than the picture that I cut. So I went 2-inch punch. Then I had to use my nail file and draw around it, with a pen upside down on the paper to get the exact right size that I wanted. I don't know if I'm going to use this design because you can't really see. It is pretty, but you can't see that it's actually a flower. So I might not use that design and use one of the other ones I've punched out. This one. And then because this is quite deep, it's like a dish, I have to put 4 other pieces in first. Before I actually fit my picture on top. So they'll have to sit in there nice and round in there. Make sure the pin's facing the right way. You don't want your pendant pin thing upside down. And then once it's all dry and glued in, then you can stick your picture on top using strong glue, such as this one, F6000. So this is an Amazon link that I'm going to leave below. I'm affiliated with Amazon now, so I might earn a small commission if you buy this from Amazon. Okay, thanks for your support and everything. So with this, when this is completely dry, I'm going to leave it for about 3 hours, and then I'm going to dome it with some resin, hard resin, which I've used in my other videos, which you can check on that. I could leave you a link again for the resin if you want. So I think this is a really good idea. Look, an easy pendant, so brilliant. Okay, I'm gonna put a silver chain through there, or some black elastic cord. Yeah. So, and also I wanted to show you my new resin silicone I don't know, tray for making new resin pieces. They're shiny on the inside. This you can get from Amazon for $6.99. I can leave a link for you as well for this. I haven't used it yet, it's brand new, so I'm gonna use it in a few days time. And these are just crystals my nephew and we picked up from a walk that we did one day, and I could use them for jewelry making too. It's not very clear, so these are crystals, but you can't really see the crystals on the screen here. So anyway, I hope I've shared everything that I wanted to tell you about. So anyway, take care. Give me a thumbs up. Sorry for rambling on. Follow my links to Amazon if you want to purchase these things. Okay, and try this yourself. I recommend it. Give it a thumbs up for that product. Okay, see you. Bye.